friend, welcome to Study Technique. In current section, we'll discuss weekly current affair from 22nd September to 30 September. Question number 1. A promised land is a presidential memory by which among the following leader? And it is the presidential memory of Barack Obama, the former president of USA. Question number 2. What is the rank of India in Human Capital Index 2020? And it's 116. Option number C. Question number 3. Former Prime Minister of India S.T. Devagowda has become the MP of Rajya Sabha from which state? And he elected as the MP of Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Question number 4. PM Modi to inaugurated which summit on 2nd October 2020? And it's option number C. Vaibhav बसैक भारतीय विज्ञान समिति. Question number 5. Who among the following is appointed as the new chief of National Technical Research Organizations? It's option number B. Anil Dhasman. Question number 6. Name the winner of the Italian Open Men's Single 2020. And it's option number B. Novak Djokovic from Serbia. Question number 7. Who among the following has been awarded with the IG Nobel Prize 2020 for medical education? And it's option number C. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. Question number 8. The first ever direct cargo ferry festival between India and Maldives connected with which port of India with the port of Maldives? And it is going to head on between the Tuticorin port to Cochin port. Question number 9. PM Modi has recently inaugurated the Ghar Tak Fiber project in which state to connect all the villages of the state? And it's option number B. Bihar. Question number 10. Angrita Sherpa, the first man to climb Mount Everest in 10 minutes, has passed away recently, and he belongs from country of Nepal. Question number 11. Who is the winner of the Women's Italian Women Tennis 2020? And it's Simona Halep. Question number 12. Bhobocar India has partnered with which of the following bank to launch Bhobocar Financial Service? And he partnered with HDFC. Question number 13. Which of the following UT has launched National Generic Document Registration System? And it launched by J&K. Question number 14. Who is the author of the book Kitchen of Gratitudes? And it's Vikas Khanna. Question 15. Google Pay has partnered with which company to launch card-based payment with tokenizations? And it's partnered with Visa. Question 16. The Uttarakhand Tourism Board has made agreement with which military organizations? It made an agreement with the ITBP, the Tibetan Border Force. A new book titled Voice of Dissent is authored by Romina Thapa. Number 18. The Indian Navy has commenced a passage exercise with which country navy? And it's Australia, named Pacifics. Who among the following has charged Arogya Mantra 2.0? And it's charged by Union Health Minister Dr. Harshavardhan. Question 20. Who has been appointed as one of the 7th member of the Asian Football Task Force? And it's from India, Girija Shankar. Question 21. The Competition Commission of India has merged with which pharmacy company? And it merged with Medilife and Pharmacy. Question number 22. Who has been appointed as the new administrator of Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank? And it's option number C. A.K. Dixit. Question 23. Who among the following has been named in the Time 100 Most Influential People list 2020? And it's Narendra Modi. And it's the only politicians occupied the name in Times India 2020. Only politician of world. Who has been appointed as the regional ambassador for India by the United Nations Environmental Program? And it's Khushi Gindala. Option number D. Question 25. Name the high-speed expendable aerial target which was successfully tested by DRDO recently. And it's obvious. Tested from Odisha Balasore. Question 26. World Maritime Day is observed on 24 September. Question 27. Which of the following drama series won the trophy at Emmy Award 2020? And it's awarded by winner by Succession, the drama series. Who among the following has been named at the Times 100 Most Influential People list 2020 in artist category? And it's Ayushmann Khurrana. Question 29. SafePay contactless debit card facility will be launched by which bank? And it's also HDFC. Question number 30. Which state has launched Muksha Kalash Yojana 2020? And it's launched by Rajasthan. Question 31. Name the country which is going to co-host the Global Climate Summit along with United Nations on 12th December. And it's United Kingdom. Question number 32. Mukhyamantri Gramina Paribara Yojana has been launched by Assam. Question 33. The United Nations Climate Change Conference is slated to held on, and it is held on Glasgow, Scotland. Question 34. Name the Bollywood actor who recently appointed as the brand ambassador of Asia India. It's option number D, Sony Sood. Question 35. Who has been appointed as managing director of Energy Efficiency Service? It's Rajat Sood. Question 36. The 51st edition of International Film Festival of India postponed to 2021. Name the strategy approach suggested by RBI to prevent urban cooperative banks from cyber attack. And it's named by GUARD. Question 38. The World Environmental Health Day is observed every year on which day? And it will be observed on 22nd September. Which state has launched unified portal URISE to help students to get employment? And it is launched by Uttar Pradesh. Question number 40. Which state has recently won the UN Award for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Disease? And it is option number A, Kerala. Question number 41. According to the World Risk Index, India has been ranked in 89. Name the Bollywood actor who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of CEAT Limited. It's Amir Khan. Question number 43. Who among the following has become the first woman fighter pilot of India to fly the Rafale combat aircraft? And it's Shivangi Singh. World Tourism Day is observed on 27 September. The Indian-Japan Maritime Exercise JAMEX is held on, and it's 26th September. Name the winner of Russian Grand Prix 2020, and it's Valtteri Bottas. 7. The World Rabies Day is observed on, and it's 20th September. Question 48. Who has been appointed as chairman of BCCI Women National Selection Panel? And it is Nitu Davids. So friend, this current affairs section is the end with the question number 48. And if you think the video is capable for you, then make shares and do likes, and if the new student, make subscribe to this channel. Thank you for